The first thing to understand is that when we think of stress in our culture, many people think it's like a bad thing. Stress isn't a bad thing. Stress is energy. And so, what we need to do is understand that when we're feeling stressed, the first thing we need to do is just name it. I'm feeling stressed. But what we want to do is now harness that energy for good. And so, how do we do that? We understand that stress can motivate us, it can help us have acuity in our thinking if we're using it correctly. Stress can be something that can help us also be aware that we're maybe feeling imbalanced. So stress like is a reminder saying like, hey, you've gone over the edge a little bit, you've gone too far. And so now we can begin to redress that. Now we're stepped into that space between stimulus and response where we can ask ourselves the question, what is it I'm really needing right now? Maybe I'm needing to take a walk. Maybe I'm needing to talk to a friend or a therapist. Maybe what I'm needing to do is just go somewhere to relax and take a break right now. Stress can be a reminder to us to ask the question and what we're needing, and then take the action in that direction and come back into a place of balance.